Hey there! Welcome to our informative video on how to calculate safe days, fertile days, and ovulation days in 28 days menstrual cycle. If you are looking to understand your body's natural rhythm and avoid or plan for pregnancy, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Understanding the menstrual cycle. Before we get into the calculation, it's important to know the basics of a typical 28-day menstrual cycle. This cycle can vary from person to person, but is often used as a standard for reference. Day 1 to 5. Menstruation. The cycle begins with your period, where your body sheds the uterine lining. Day 6 to 14. Pre-ovulation. Your body starts preparing for ovulation during this phase. The hormone estrogen rises, causing the uterine lining to thicken. Day 14. Ovulation. This is when your ovary releases an egg, making it available for fertilization. This day is crucial for conception. Day 15 to 28. Post-ovulation. After ovulation, your body produces progesterone, which helps maintain the uterine lining. If pregnancy doesn't occur, hormone levels drop, and you get ready for your next period. Calculating safe days. Safe days are the days when the chances of getting pregnant are very low. To calculate these days, you need to understand when your fertile days are and subtract them from the total cycle length. Step 1. Determine the shortest and the longest menstrual cycle if you had in the past year. For example, if your shortest cycle was 26 days and your longest was 30 days, you'd consider 26 days as your shortest and 30 days as your longest. Step 2. Calculate your fertile days. To do this, subtract 18 from the length of your shortest cycle and 11 from the length of your longest cycle. In our example, this would be shortest cycle 26 minus 8, that equals 8, and the longest cycle, that means 30 minus 11 equals 19. Step 3. Your safe days are between 8 and 90 in your cycle. In this period, the chances of getting pregnant are relatively low, but keep in mind that no method is 100% foolproof. So, use additional contraception if you want to be extra sure. Identifying fertile days. Fertile days are the days when you are most likely to get pregnant. These are the days leading up to and including ovulation. To calculate them, step 1. Use the same shortest and the longest cycle lengths you determined earlier. In example, these are 26 and 30 days. Step 2. Calculate your fertile window by subtracting 20 from your length of your shortest cycle and 10 from your length of your longest cycle. Shortest cycle 26 minus 20, that equals 6. Longest cycle 30 minus 10, that equals 20. Step 3. Your fertile days fall between day 6 and day 20 of your cycle. To maximize your chances of conception, try to have intercourse during this period. Pinpointing ovulation. Ovulation is the key event in your menstrual cycle when an egg is released from your ovary. Knowing when this happens can be incredibly helpful when you're trying to conceive. You can pinpoint ovulation using several methods. Basal body temperature. Your temperature rises slightly after ovulation. So, charting your basal body temperature can help identify this phase. Cervical mucus. The consistency of cervical mucus changes around ovulation. It becomes clear, slippery, and stretchy. Ovulation predictor kits. These kits detect the surge in luteinizing hormone that occurs just before ovulation. Menstrual cycle tracking apps. Many smartphone apps can help predict your ovulation based on the data you input. Understanding your menstrual cycle is a valuable tool, whether you're trying to conceive or avoid pregnancy. Remember, this calculation provides estimates, and everybody's body is unique. For more accurate results and personalized guidance, consult a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on women's health. Don't forget to hit the notified bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and take care of your health.